Fireball is sort of born of the realization that you've heard this joke 100 times, like, what's the bandwidth of a FedEx truck? Because if you're having a hard time beaming a file around, how common has it been to just, well, let me just put a hard drive, let me just fill a hard drive and overnight it to the customer, and now they can do the previews or they can look at it. But what we've done and what you've integrated with is our Fireball, call it a rapid ingest solution, where Backblaze ships you a 70 terabyte NAS device, you plug it into your network, and then the volume is actually encrypted with credentials out of your account. So only you can open it and mount it. So you mount it, it appears on your network, and exactly as you want your buckets and files and content to show up in your Backblaze account. You copy content over, ship it back to Backblaze, and it gets placed right into your Backblaze account. So it's a really, really fast way. So what's the bandwidth of 70 terabytes on a FedEx truck? It's a lot of content really fast. And the point is, it really jumpstarts getting content quickly out of your environment, protected in highly protected cloud.